Become a god at 3 in the morning. This game is better than sex. Become OP only to get one shot by the end boss. 10 out of 10. Bungus. Collect trash, make your character look like trash and kill the wildlife. It never rained. Still a fun game. You offer to the shrine but gain nothing. You offer to the shrine but gain nothing. You offer to the shrine but gain. You offer to the shrine but gain nothing. I'm gay. Alright, so now that I've showed you some of the reviews and what makes me love the game, they're funny. Let's get into a bit of gameplay, shall we? I'm gonna play the Artificer and here are the skills I choose. Hey, I just wanted to take a quick second to say that this is gonna be my first official video, and if you could give me any feedback on what you like or what you didn't like, that'd be amazing, so thank you so much. So let's get on to the video. So it starts off pretty slow, just walking around, jumping, and killing the wildlife, extorting it for money, of course. With said money, you can start to collect loot through the chests, so how about we start to get some? So we got a little bit more walking to do until we can find the teleporter and begin the teleporting event, which is just a boss fight. Oh, and of course here's me failing multiple times at pressing a single button. And here comes the gambling. So I have found the teleporter and I'm gonna slowly make my way to it and fail to activate it because I cannot press a single button, and then I'll let the boss fight and epic music roll. Let's go. Oh yeah, and if you were wondering, yes, that is me fighting my own beetle guard because I didn't realize it was mine. Alright, so next we're just gonna activate the teleporter again and go to the next zone, and we'll repeat the steps again. And some chest. And then we collect the loot. And right before the teleporter event, we end with some copium gambling. What did I do to deserve getting hurt this bad? Well, I hope you enjoyed this nice dose of copium. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the event. Let's go on to the third stage. Alright, you guys know how this works now. So a little bit of walking, let's collect the loot, and let's get over with the teleporter. So you might have noticed that this was a lot less loot than the last two stages, and that's because I found the teleporter super fast and I thought, let's do it and loot after, and you'll see why that was a big mistake. Alright, let's take a second and I'll quickly explain what happened in detail. So this right here is the exact moment where I fucked up. Here the Clay Dune Raider does a big sucking attack and I didn't notice that, so I went deep inside and it pulls you in, and instead of running I kept going, which essentially slowly killed me. I did manage to get out eventually, but I was so low HP I easily got sniped and died. Overall, even though this was a really short run, I did quite enjoy it and showcase what I really like about this game. For the very attentive of you, you may have noticed my very legitimately collected lunar coins. I have never even heard of editing files, like files exist, question mark. Alright, but in all seriousness, thank you so much for watching the video, it means a lot to me, and let me know if you enjoyed it in the comment section or by leaving a like.